This video is to teach you how to judge the charging problem. We often encounter a situation when using a 220 wheelchair. I have fully charged it after charging it overnight, but it still doesn't show full power after he turns it on. In this case, we need to determine whether it is the fault of the charger or the battery, or some other fault. Then first of all, confirm whether our electric wheelchair can be turned on and operated normally. Before turning it on, you need to confirm the mode of the brakes. Brake levers on both sides of the motor need to switch to electric mode. The motors on both sides must be switched to electric mode. Switch to electric mode and then turn on the wheelchair controller. It works. Yes. Operating instructions. The wheelchair is fine as a whole. That is to say, there is no problem with the motor controller. But if it cannot be charged, it cannot be ruled out that there is a problem with the battery. It is not ruled out that there is a problem with the charger. So now how do we determine whether it is the charger's problem or something else? In fact, the principle of our controller is very simple. It only needs as long as there is power input. It will turn on normally. For example, we could turn it on normally just now. Okay, let's supply this power to it now and unplug it. After unplugging, it is equivalent to the controller. It has no power input. It can't be turned on. And then, let's judge this charger. Is it normal? It's like I just told you. If we control it, it is normal. It only needs a battery input. It will turn on normally, right? Then, if the charger is normal, it has power output to the charging port of the controller. We now plug the charger under the controller. See if it can be turned on. Can be turned on. Boot instructions are available. There is no problem with the charger. It can power normally, right? You can see that I don't have this power cord plugged in now. If the charger cannot supply power, there is no way to turn on the controller, because I can't break the charger to test now. So let me simulate. For example, if I unplug the charger now, after unplugging it, it is regarded as a charger that is broken and cannot be powered. I'll turn it on now and try it. I can't turn it on now. That means the charger is faulty. It has no power supply. So this is a way to determine whether the charger is damaged. For example, if the charger is normal, that means that if you can't charge it, it may have happened to the battery. The reason for the battery. You can plug the charger into the battery. Plug the charger into the battery and charge the battery separately. If the charger is plugged in, it cannot be fully charged. That means this battery may be faulty. Because it is known that our charger is not faulty. Because it has just been tested. Right. It's malfunction free. If there is no fault, it can only mean one thing. That is, the battery cannot supply power. The battery has no way to power it. There are three situations. The first is, the plug is not plugged in tightly. The second is that the battery is out of power. The third is that the battery itself is broken. It can't store electricity anymore. Why did I just say it was the problem with the battery? Because of its electric wheelchair, it cannot be turned on. But now it can be turned on when I plug in the charger. It can be turned on, which means the charger can be powered first of all. It means the charger is not faulty. Second, it can be turned on and explained. The controller itself is not faulty. So the problem lies in the battery. Okay, so here's another story. That is, when I plug in the charger, and I still can't turn it on. So now there are two possibilities. The first one, the charger itself is broken and does not power on. The second controller is broken and it doesn't power up. So now, Let's just use a straightforward test. Directly send our charger. Delivered to a nearby maintenance department site. Have the maintenance site use a voltage test meter and power test meter to test whether the charger has power output. If the charger is normal, because it has power output. If a normal charger is plugged into the controller and cannot be turned on, it means the controller is broken. Change the controller. The judgment I'm talking about today, it applies to all our electric wheelchairs. The core of all electric wheelchairs is the same principle.